Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to talk to you about how to find and breed horses inside of Minecraft. So horses, they like these kind of wide open plains or meadow areas. They kind of spawn in groups of 2 to 6. Same thing with donkeys that I've got over there. In fact, there's a wild horse running around just over there. And once you've got a couple of them cordoned off, you can find them in various different colors, and when they breed, they make different color combinations, so you can get all kinds of different horses. You're going to first need to tame them before you can feed them so that they can be bred. And to tame them, you just have to keep riding them by right-clicking them with an empty hand over and over again until they stop throwing you off and then you see hearts. This one only took 2 rounds. Sometimes they take upwards of like 12 to 14 rounds before they decide that they like you. Just keep doing it until they stop throwing you off. And then you should be able to feed them. And they like to eat either golden carrots, golden apples, or enchanted golden apples in order to be bred. So they're kind of on the more expensive side, especially early on. But once you've got a hold of them, they are a very useful resource for traveling great distances. And also, you'll need a horse and also a donkey in order to produce a mule if you want the achievement inside of Bedrock. And so here we have our new little horsey who's a crossbreed between this darker horse and the speckled horse, and it's got a little bit of both colors. So that's kind of neat. I like when they do that in this game. There's not really a point in killing horses. They will drop like leather, but they're a better resource for putting a saddle on and traveling really far distances really fast than they are for killing. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.